is run by a bunch of investment bankers, and Morningstar's tools can help make
I'm here with Paul Justice, Director of ETF Research here in Chicago. So Paul, the internet has been buzzing since at the end of February, Warren Buffett made a few comments about gold. He said it's not an investment, it's a speculation, and it absolutely does not belong in an investor's portfolio. So I want to know, could Buffett be wrong for once? And what's your opinion? Does gold belong in an investor's portfolio?
Sure. Gold can belong in an investor's portfolio. It doesn't belong in this investor's portfolio. I haven't owned it, and I agree somewhat with Warren Buffett, but you know what? I agreed with him 10 years ago, and guess what? We were both wrong then. So I can see the rationale that you want to put gold in your portfolio. You're really viewing this as a separate currency, something that's going to make sure it holds up when all the paper currencies are falling, when when real inflation is taking hold on asset prices. Gold is going to perform well, and I think it's served that role, especially from 2004 through 2011. Going forward, it looks like we've gone past a lot of the crisis that we've seen. I don't know that I would have gold as a significant portion of my portfolio at this point in time. The only things that really give it a lot of strength would be technical indicators. You can't really give it a fundamental valuation, and some of those are fading currently.
And for the investors watching that agree with you and with Warren Buffett, maybe they want to invest in the gold miners. What are some options for them?
Sure. It's a great way if you want to participate in the upside of gold is to go in with the gold miners. You're going to get kind of what we call operational leveraged exposure to the price of gold. The bigger gold miners are probably going to have a little bit less swing than the smaller ones. If you really want to get that juice and you're really going to speculate on gold prices going up, junior gold miners is a very good way to go.
Okay, and for the investors watching that think Buffett is completely wrong and they just don't agree, maybe they'll continue adding a little gold to their portfolio.
Sure. As much as we've seen interest in gold spike, it's still overall is a small portion of most people's portfolios. The majority of investors don't own that, and they do feel a little bit bad about missing that last decade of upward price appreciation. But oftentimes, it's not a great idea to buy something after it's gone straight up for 10 years.
Great. Thanks, Paul.
My pleasure.